New to Jeeps or just looking for some features you won't find in any other trucks? Simple Car Guy here, and today we are going to cover the top 5 Jeep Gladiator's hidden features that you might actually find useful. The Gladiator is one of the most popular trucks on the market right now, and it's packed with features that make it an excellent choice for anyone who loves off-road adventures. But let's have a little fun and check out things you might not see on most other regular reviews. Let's get started. The first and probably the most useful hidden feature on the list is the lockable storage. Where's the storage, you might ask? Well, the Gladiator has a storage bin behind the rear seat on both sides, and the best part is that it's lockable. If you think that's not enough storage, the Jeep has taken advantage of extra space under the seats here as well by adding another storage compartment. The lockbox is secured with a key, so basically the key just goes in here. It's locked like that. You can't open it, and unlocked just like that. And of course, once it's unlocked, you can open it up to reveal the storage cubby right here. But if you lift up this cushion, you can access the bigger storage compartment just right there. These compartments are perfect for storing small items like tools, snacks, or even your phone and wallet. On the driver's side, you also have a little compartment right here that has space for all the bolts and screws and everything else you would need to remove in order to remove doors and other things like that. Pretty cool, and this part's actually removable as well. So you can just take it with you, put all your bolts in here, and then put it back once you are done for safe keeping. Of course, on this side, we have the same thing. We have a much larger, now it's kind of all-in-one storage box. Some Gladiators also come with a removable waterproof and dustproof Bluetooth speaker that can be removed from the truck and taken with you on your adventures. The speaker is normally located behind the rear seat just right there, and it's designed to be removed and taken with you on the go. Obviously in this truck it's not here, and I'm not sure if it just didn't come as an option on this truck or if it's been removed because this is a rental and obviously they don't want it to be taken and not returned with the truck. Something you might not have noticed is that in addition to the seats, the center console and the glove box are also lockable, so when the summer comes there is some peace of mind when you leave the truck opened up. Inside the armrest there is a secondary USB port, which is awesome, but you don't want to leave your phone in there, so they have a couple of cutouts on each side so you can route the cable out. Pretty smart. Next very useful feature that literally transforms the truck are the removable freedom panels on the hardtop. Just like the Jeep Wrangler, these panels can be removed quickly and easily, allowing you to enjoy the open air experience. And yes, it's fully removable. On top of that, the windshield can also be folded down or removed completely for an unobstructed view of the road. That's definitely a Jeep thing, and you won't see it on any other trucks. Looking at these windshield bolts, I also noticed how there are drain holes to get rid of the standing water. Pretty smart. There are a few hidden items around off-roading as well. The first fun one I noticed is how you can turn the traction and the stability control off completely even when not in 4 low. Normally, the car will do this for you in 4 low, but in all other modes, the stability control is turned on. Simply hold the traction control button down for a few seconds and you can have all the control of your car even in standard 4-wheel drive. If you have a Gladiator equipped with the Off-Road Plus package, the same action adjusts the throttle response, transmission shift points, and traction control settings to provide maximum off-road performance as well. Of course, when off-roading or even when you have the roof removed, some mud, as you can see some dirt in here, or water can get inside the truck. But luckily, they have installed drain plugs in the floor. The floor mats also have a little oval that's supposed to funnel excess water through to the floorboards. The plug can be added and removed to the mats as needed. There are so many cool features on this truck, I figured I would include a couple extra ones. First one being this seat belt holder. So there's just a little clip here that you can slide your seat belt in, just like that. So when the roof is open, it will stay in there and not flap around. Pretty clever design, even though it's super simple. Another super simple but also very useful one is to do with the sun visors. They are actually telescopic, so you can move them to adjust to the sun. And lastly, the fuel cap has a spot for when refueling, so it doesn't dangle and damage the paint. Well, guys, the sun has just set behind that beautiful mountain in the back, and it's getting pretty cold here. So I think it's a clue for me to wrap up. Anyway, those were my top 5 useful hidden features on this Jeep Gladiator that I found in a week of driving. If you have a Gladiator, I'm sure you have many more and maybe some cool ones, so do leave your comments down below and let me know which ones I have missed. Also, check out this video if you'd like to see what I thought of this truck when I drove it for the first time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.